Hi, good evening guys. I hope all you are doing fine. Today I want to discuss about a famous strategy called covered call strategy. You all are aware of the covered call strategy in different videos of YouTube being uploaded by so many experts. But my cover call strategy has got a twist at the end. So I request all of you to watch till the end and get the latest things which you can do to prevent some sort of adversity in your cover call strategy. Let me explain you what the cover call strategy is all about. Then I will add the twist at the end. What is cover call? Cover call is when you have any equity in your portfolio of one lot equivalent. One lot equivalent means for Reliance, one lot equal to 505 quantity. For Nifty, one lot equal to 75 quantity. For Bank Nifty, one lot equal to 25 quantity. So when you have one lot of equivalent of that particular stock, whether it is Reliance, whether it is Tata Motors, whether it is Tata Steel, in your portfolio, then selling any out of the call options is called cover call. The purpose is to protect the particular stock to the downside to a certain extent. It means if your cover call is 2% above the money and you could receive 2% to 1.5% as a premium, then that particular stock is protected that 1.5 to 2% down the current market price. For example, you have bought 505 quantity of Reliance and current market price is 2100 rupees. Moment you bought the share, so your investment would be around 505 into 2100, almost around 10 lakhs, near about 10 lakhs. So to construct a cover call, what you need to do is you need to sell out of the money call option, which is 2200 strikes or 2300 strikes, depending upon your risk appetite and depending upon your view where Reliance Industries can go in a 1 month. Ideal time would be 45 days to 30 days prior to the expiry for every month. What is the purpose? The purpose is that call options, 2200 or 2300 call option will protect the Reliance Industries share to fall to a certain extent. It means if you are able to receive 60 rupees to 70 rupees premium from that 2200 rupees call options, 60 rupees is almost 3%. So it means that your Reliance stock is protected till 3% downfall, not more than that. So that is the advantage, because normally shares won't fall every month, won't rise every month, and it will be almost like a range bound month after month. So you keep on selling call options out of the money, 2 to 3% out of the money every month, you can accumulate a huge sum for your existing portfolio apart from your capital appreciation of that particular stock. But there is a drawback as well. The biggest drawback of the cover call is that it can protect your stock till certain extent. It cannot protect your stock beyond that limit. The amount of premium you have collected from your call option is that much protection it can give it to the stocks. So what if the stock falls below that level? Then you don't have any protection, then you don't have any hedge. So that's the reason cover call is only called as a partial protection or partial hedge for any portfolio. Hence, it cannot be called as completely hedge strategy. This can be considered as a rental income against your portfolio. But there is a downside risk, as I already mentioned to you. So be careful while taking a cover call for your portfolio. It is always better to take caller or advance caller instead of cover call. Now let me demonstrate you how cover call looks like in a payoff diagram. If you think that my video is adding any value in your existing trading style, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button, so that the person like me is feeling motivated to deliver you more videos with quality and content. And don't forget to forward it to your friend So Reliance is my favorite stock, so I am going to give the example of Reliance to show you the cover call strategy. If you look at the screen, so I am going to buy Reliance in cash market. So Reliance in cash market, if I buy it, I have to buy it for 505 quantity, which is equivalent to 1 lot. For the sake of this explanation, I am going to take 1 lot of future in place of the 505 quantity of cash. It will give you the same result in the payoff diagram. So I am going to buy 1 lot of future of September, and then I am going to sell. The future is traded around 2127 rupees, and I am going to sell the call option of 2200 strike. So this is how the cover call looks like. You can see there is a break even is around 2060 level. If Reliance break that level, the loss will start accumulating. So you can see that I have bought one future of 24 September expiry, and I sold call option of 2200 strike price of September's contract, which is roughly around 2.5 to 3%. So now what I am trying to show you is that if you can look at the payout diagram very closely, this will protect the stock to a certain level. It is not a complete hedging, it's a partial hedging. Now, for let us say if Reliance crosses this 2200 within the month, there is a solution. You can maximize your profit. What you need to do here, you can take the call up from this month and you can move it to the next month with the same premium. So you need to buy back the current month call option and you need to sell the next month call option with the same premium. With that, you are increasing the range of profit once again. So this, if you go on doing month after month, you can get the capital appreciation in one side. In another side, you can take the profit from the call options. So both way you can gain from this cover call. As I have already discussed with you, this has a shortfall of a downside risk, which can be discussed in a short time. So till now I have only explained you the normal cover call. As you have already seen in the payout diagram, that sold call option can protect the equity to such certain extent. It cannot protect if the equity falls drastically down all of a sudden. So in that case, you need to have some protection in your portfolio so that your downside risk can be minimized. To address this downside risk, which cannot be covered under the cover call, I have added one more strategy into this, which I am calling it as a twist. That's what I told you while at the beginning of the video. That is a cover call with a twist. With this additional strategy, the risk in the downside can be mitigated to great extent till some further level. Let me show you how the twist will look like and how you can put it into cover call and mix it so that your break-even point is further extended to the new level. Let's come to the twist part of this strategy. This is much more awaited part of this video. Please have a very close look and listen very carefully what I am going to discuss with you. So this is my normal cover call strategy. Whereas I have already explained to you, there is a downfall risk or at the downside, risk at the downside. Now, if I add one more simple strategy into this, so that this break even can be extended till some more distance, some more strike. So let me show you how I am going to do it. So with this strategy, if I buy 2120 put option one lot, and if I sell 2020 put option two lot and buy 1880 put option one lot, so now you can see the magic in this strategy. Break even has been shifted quite down to the current market price. This strategy what I am implemented here is called broken wind butterfly, whereas you have to buy a put option. It's a put broken wind butterfly, whereas I have bought a put option of the ATM strike, sold two OTM put option far out of the money, and bought one OTM to hedge the broken wind butterfly completely. So with this you can see the range. It is quite fabulous range you can get in the upside to the downside. Stock can play within this range and you will gain all the profit from the sold call options, and you can gain the profit the butterfly side as well, I mean the downside as well, till certain level. You need to go on adding this butterfly as long as stock sliding down towards the break-even point, which is 2000. It means when stock hits 2000, you need to create one more butterfly, I mean the broken wind butterfly in the downside, and you can keep on doing it till you are comfortable with that. But most probably stock will bounce back after getting certain support level and come back to the original positions. Oh, one more thing I forgot to explain here. Moment the stock hits this 2000 level, you need to sell one call options at the current market price, and then you go for the second butterfly in this level, so that you can gain the profit from the sold call option also. So the cover call and the twist with the cover call combinedly can give you enough profit for any portfolio you are looking for. Yes, if the market crashes drastically, then you need to exit your complete portfolio without any hesitation. Let me recap you the entire strategy once again. So I have taken a position in cash market of Reliance. For this illustration purpose, I have taken Reliance. You can take any stock which is having options, liquid options and option volume. So the Reliance is traded around 2100 level. So I have bought 505 quantity of Reliance in cash. I sold 2200 call option. That constructs the cover call part. Now I have administered one more strategy into this, is I have bought put option at the money. I sold two out of the money put option, and I bought one far OTM put option to hedge this structure. So with that I have expanded my profit margin to quite a great level. The moment I construct one more butterfly at this break-even level, I need to sell one more call option on the current market price. So there is two call option I sold on the upside, and I have to go on adding butterfly in the downside as long as stock sliding down. So this is the whole concept of this strategy, which I am naming it as a cover call with a little twist. Just try to do it in a paper trade. After SEBI's new rule regarding the margin requirement, the selling call option will not attract much margin if you buy a call option far out of the money of that particular sold options. So you can get benefit of the margin. With that additional margin, you can deploy it in the strategy I have explained to you. With the help of this butterfly, you can go on extending your downside protection till quite great extent. You can make multiple butterfly in the downside, and you can take the break even quite down, and at the same time you can go on selling call option on the upside. So that's how you can manage your positions and you can get huge lot of money from this dynamic cover call or twisted cover call, as you said. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel and forward it to your friend. And do not forget to hit the bell button so that the next videos will be seen by you whenever I will upload it. Till then, keep trading, keep selling options, keep enjoying profit. Thank you.